2, 3, 4. Hey, 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 Mr. Oopy. Let's have fun and be silly. We're gonna learn and be happy. Having fun with Mr. Oopy.
Hello, my little friends. It's Mr. Oopy. And I'm feeling playful today. And do you know what I like to do when I'm feeling playful?
No.
I like to go to the playgrounds. Let's go have a look. This looks like a fun playground. Da, 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 da. We have the log walk. First foot, put on there. Oh. And now we're going to balance using our arms out wide, balancing on the logs. And maybe we can even jump like this. Whoa! Oh. I just saw some monkey bars. What does the monkey do? And let's see. Oh, ready? Monkey bar. Okay, let's go up and do some climbing. Oh, we can climb up this. Oh, really high. Wonder what we can do up here. And hi. Okay, let's have a look. I think this is what we do. I hope I don't fall. Ready? Maybe we can climb up here like this and we can get there. Can we get to the top, Mr. Oopy? Let's have a look. We get ready, Mr. Oopy. Whoa! Hold on tight, Mr. Oopy. I got there in the end, yes. We got to the top. Oh, we did that together. All right, Mr. Oopy. Oh, ready? Here we go. And I felt that one. Up you get, Mr. Oopy. Right, here we go. Oh, good climb. And up the top. Good. Oh, we have to balance on this platform like so. Oh, great. I feel like I'm surfing. Oh, pretending I'm on the waters, surfing at the beach. How do I get down? I can go back the same way this way, or I could jump. What would you like me to do? Jump?
Jump.
You sure? Okay, I'll do it. I'm going to do it really slowly, and I'm going to release my legs and hold on to the bars up top, like this. And stand on this one like this, and maybe use my leg to push. Or we could use one leg and go really high, and make sure you hold on to the chain. I wonder if I can go to the sky. Whoa, it's getting dizzy. I might just sit down. We can even sit down like this. Hello. I like this swing and swing. No hands. I can do it with no hands. Oh, what about your legs up, Mr. Oopy? Oh, this is fun. I wonder if I can jump off while it's swinging. Can you count with me on the count of 3? 1, 2, 3. Here I go. Oh. I see a different kind of swing over there. Let's go have a look. Oopsie. Be careful, Mr. Oopy. Oh, this one here, we can sit down, can't we? Like this. Or we can even stand on the swing like this. Let's try sitting down first and place our bottom on the seat with our hands on the chain. And we push back with our feet and swing up. I know what you want me to do. you want me to jump off. I can do that. Maybe one hand, the other. Oh, let's see. No hands. Oh, hold on, Mr. Oopy. Okay, shall we land on the ground? Here we go. 1, 2, 3. Whoa! Let's see what else they have over here. I just found something over there. Let's go. This looks like another kind of swing. It just keeps going round and round and round. It's making me dizzy. Stop the swing. Okay, here it is. So we get on the swing, but I don't have anyone to ride it with. Let's see if we can do this on our own. We're gonna go like this. Wow. Oh, we can do it on our own. Wow. Oh, I might go a little bit faster. Oh, I'm getting dizzy. Oh, my head is spinning. Oh, I think I better stop. Let me just get myself. My head is still spinning round and round and round. Oof. Were you dizzy as well, like I was? Oh, no, just me. Let's find something else that we can go on. Oh, we could go on this. Do you think I can fit in this little swing? There's different sizes. No, I'm gonna give it a go. Oh, look. I can't even get my foot inside. Come on, Miss Oopy. Oh. Is this how I swing, like this?
No.
No? Let's see what I can do here. What about this one? Oh, this is how you swing. Oh,
No.
what? No? It's not how... Oh, I need to put the other foot in. Oh, let me see what I can do. Oh, it's a little bit wobbly for me. Oh, I think I'm stuck. Someone help me. Anyone? Someone help me. What does this look like? Is it a dog?
No.
Is it a horse?
Yes.
Oh, a horse. What sound does a horse make? That's right. And what does the horse like to eat? Hay? It's grass. Let's pretend this is grass. Oh, it looks delicious. Delicious. I like it. Let's go for a bit of a swing. And make sure to put your feet on the edge of the saddle. Ooh. I might just get myself off. Oh, look at that. It's a bouncing horse. Let's keep going. A trampoline. Look, I'm gonna step on the, oh, it's quite bouncy. I like it. Oh, shall we bounce together? And how high can you bounce? Oh, and make sure we get to stay in the middle. I like this playground. There's so many things to do. Oh, look over there. Oh. Watch out for the pole, Mr. Oopy. Oh, what does this look like to you? Let me think. A caterpillar, maybe. It's a huge swing. And these are the handlebars. So I might just sit at the front. Yeah, I just lift up my leg. Oh, okay. Is this how I need to, like this? Okay. Oh, come up close. Oh, yeah. Let's see. I know a different way. I could put my feet on here and go really high. Let's see how high we can go. I'm using my feet to go forward and backward. Backwards and forwards. Now I'm going to sit down. Wow, I like this swing. This is fantastic. Oh, okay, I'm done here. Would you like to see Mr. Oopy jump off? I know you do. Not sure if this is possible, but let's see what we can do, Mr. Oopy. Are you scared, Mr. Oopy? Yes, I am. Okay, here we go. Wish me luck. Whoa! Oh, 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 oh. I made it safely. Okay, look what I just saw. It's a big slippery tip. All right, let's go up the top. Just pull your leg up. We're getting higher and higher. Let's go. Quick, 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 quick. I'm over here. And now it's our turn to go down the slippery tip. Are we ready? On the count of 3. 1, 2, 3. Bye! Oh, that was so much fun. Oh, let's see what else we can do. A climbing pyramid. Let's climb to the top. Are you ready? Maybe we can go inside first, like this. Let me see if I can get to the top here. Can you still see me? I can see you down there. Hello there. All right, getting to the top. We're getting really high. Can you still see me? I'm over here. I have to get down. I don't want to get down, but I'm gonna have to try. Okay, wish me luck. Let's see, put this one here. Whoa! I made it. I'm gonna go back this way. Or maybe I could squeeze through, through this hole. I can't get down. It's not. I felt that in my arms, but I got down safely. I just saw some drums. Look over here. Oh, this looks like fun. Oh, and what do we do with this? Oh, that actually hurt. That really hurt. Okay. Oh, not on here. Hit, bang, bang, bang. Give it a hit. Blah, blah, blah. Good hitting, Mr. Oopy. Oh! Oh! A yellow bike. We have a red bike. We have a green bike. We have a blue bike. And we have an orange bike. I like orange because it matches my shirt. Oh, I might just get on the bike and, where are the pedals? There are no pedals here. Oh, maybe we can pretend to ride our bike in the playground. Yeah, we could do that. So let's ride our bike like this. Oh, okay, I'm riding really fast. Okay, good riding, Mr. Oopy. I think I'm done here for today. Bye for now.
Hey kids, thanks for watching, and if you would like to stick around, I'm going to show you all the fun things we did today in a video with a short song by Mr Oopy. Bye!
Running through the playground is so much fun. Swinging, climbing, jumping out in the sun. Look at me, I'm playing. I'm not yet done. Many things to see and do. My fun has just begun. Dancing through the playground, it makes me smile. Hopping, skipping, moving, I'll stay a while. Look at me, I'm flying. I can walk a mile. Many things to touch and play. Let's make
Hey kids, thanks for watching. If you enjoyed the video and you would like to see more, hit the like button, the subscribe button and the little bell. Or you could just type MrOopy.com. Bye for now.